3 hours waiting for a tow truck.
That's not fun either.
That's not fun.
So far, how exciting is this trip, my friend?
Oh, the trip is exciting. Very exciting. It's the most exciting winter trip I've had.
The winter just started, Eric.
I know.
What about the company, Eric?
Oh, I'm good. The company's a great company. As soon as they fix my window.
No, they want to know about the people on the bus.
People on the bus.
What?
This company, what do you think of the people on the bus?
Oh, the company's great. You kidding me? I've got none but accolades for the company. I've got a great group of people. We're on the highway. That's right.
Wow.
This is the highway.
Western Highway without a wiper.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yes, I can see.
All right.
I can
Wipe
see.
this way down. That will put you out in front. Like, how much is that fun?